Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get the best Namecheap coupon code for 2025. If you're looking for Namecheap coupon codes, Namecheap promo codes, or any kind of Namecheap discount, this is the video you've been waiting for. The best deals are live right now, but they're only available through my special links in the description. So scroll down, click the first link, and grab the biggest Namecheap discount before it's gone. Let's get straight into it. Right now, Namecheap is offering massive discounts on domains, hosting, email, and more. If you're looking to buy a domain, renew your domain, or even launch a website, this is the time to do it. I've seen up to 83% off using the right Namecheap coupon code. And the best part? Some of these deals even come with a free domain included. Click the first link in the description and head to the promos section. You'll find real-time Namecheap promo codes like 60% off shared hosting, deep domain discounts, and deals on WordPress hosting. I personally tested the hosting coupon and saved 65%, plus I got a free domain on top of that. This is the kind of Namecheap hosting promo code you don't want to miss. But here's where it gets even better. If you click the second link in the description, you'll be taken to a hidden page with even more Namecheap coupon codes, including some exclusive and limited time offers you won't find anywhere else. Whether you need a Namecheap domain coupon code, a Namecheap hosting coupon code, or a promo code for Namecheap domain renewal, you'll find it there. New customers especially can grab massive discounts, like .com domains for under $6, or bundles that save you over 80%. My personal favorite deal right now is the domain and hosting bundle. It gives you 83% off plus a completely free domain name, making it one of the best offers of 2025. Just make sure you activate it through the link. If you skip the link, the discount won't apply and you'll miss out. If you're still wondering how to get a Namecheap coupon, this is how. Use the links in the description and you'll have access to all the latest Namecheap promo codes, updated regularly. I'd even suggest bookmarking the page so you can come back anytime you need a new Namecheap discount code. Don't leave money on the table. Namecheap already has great prices, but using these Namecheap promo codes for 2025 can save you a ton. Whether you're getting a new domain, renewing one, or setting up hosting, use these Namecheap discount coupons to slash the price. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on saving money online. And don't forget, your best Namecheap coupon code is waiting in the description below. Click it now before the deals expire.